Hi, I'm Robert Lisatz, and today I want to show you another variation of my circuit training. And a lot of my fitness stuff that I do is taking place when I do other stuff. For instance, like cooking my lunch. As you can see, I have already completed several rounds of my circuit training, and I thought I will show you the several stations and the exercises I'm using to do this circuit training. The first station is the jump rope station, where I do jump roping for 1 minute. The next exercise are sit-throughs, and you make just 10 of them. It's like this here. 1, back to the position as you would do push-ups. 2, and back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the next exercise, the third exercise, are push-ups. You can do different kind of push-ups. You can do this one, or Hindu push-ups, or one hand. It doesn't matter. It depends what you want. Maybe you're asking yourself, why just 10 reps? Because after the 5th or 6th, 7th round, you will look like I look, completely covered in sweat, and it's enough. So the last exercise are shoulder dislocations. And this is this here. These are shoulder dislocations. And I start with a wide grip and I go more and more narrow. Then I do just a few reps, and each round I try to go with a more narrow grip than the previous round. You can use an old judo belt for this exercise, and as you can see, I made some marks here so I know how narrow my grip is actually. The main purpose when I do my circuit training is of course to get fit and to have fun. And this is why I frequently change the exercises. You could also do, for instance, burpees, animal movements, and many other exercises. So you don't have to do always the same stuff. And this is how you have fun all the time, because your routine, your circuit training can evolve and change constantly. And this is how you get in shape while cooking and doing other stuff. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. It's all about being safe, fit and prepared like a modern day samurai. And by the way, my friend Aleš Gerjević started just recently a channel about bushcraft, security, stuff related things. And if you're interested in this kind of topics, check out his channel. The link of his channel is in the video description below. See you in the next video. Bye.